channel, and today I'm back with a new video. Okay, today I'm unboxing my new Sonata watch, and if you're watching this video, please like this video and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel and comment down below which new video I make. Let's get started. So this is the box. The watch is inside the box, guys. Let's open it. So this was my watch, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video and comment down below which new video I make. Bye bye.